Hi there. In this short clip I'm going to show you how to quickly get your bathroom ready when you've got the professional photographer coming round to photograph all the rooms in your house to get it on the market ready for sale. And it's also useful as well for when you've got viewings, so you want the bathroom to look absolutely super duper nice and hotel style. So here we go, we'll try and make this as quick as possible. The first thing that you're going to need, I'm going to give you lots of hints and tips here, little tricks that we use in our industry. The first thing is you need a little basket or a little box. So here's a little basket that I've got, and you'll see in this bathroom here we've got all the usual lotions and potions that we all need in our everyday life. So why wouldn't we leave them there? Well, it just doesn't look very inviting, does it? So what we're going to do is we're going to pack away all of our bits and bobs into this basket, because we can do that very quickly, get rid of all of our lotions and potions. They all go in here nice and neatly so that you can access them when you want them. Whoa! Actually, I think we'll leave that one out. That can be used for staging. Okay, we don't need toothbrushes on display. And we don't need those. What else have we got to put in here? I'm going to leave the cotton buds and the cotton pads there. I'm going to show you a little trick with those. So, I'm going to take the basket away. Right, so we can store those in a cupboard. Right, so the first thing that I'm going to do is say, right, once you've cleared everything out, oh, we've left a few bits there that we don't need. So once you've cleared everything out completely, it needs a super duper deep clean, because there's nothing worse than looking at a dirty bathroom. So we'll just imagine we've done a deep clean. I won't get you to watch me doing that. Okay, so we want it to look a bit more inviting. And the first thing I'm going to do is add some nice expensive toiletries. And these are going to be kept, you're not going to use these are going to just be for staging. So we'll put these out in the sink. There we go, that's all we want on there. And then what I'm going to do is, you can see we've got a toilet roll here which is sort of half used. It doesn't look very attractive, so we'll get rid of that. We'll put a nice new one on. Always nice to have a new toilet roll on there. And just give it a little bit of a finish. Okay, so that's another little thing we can do. Right, the towels. So, yeah, they don't look very attractive there, do they? So we'll get rid of those towels. And what I suggest here is invest in some new ones. I mean, you always need nice new towels anyway. And what I've gone for in here is, and here's one I've prepared earlier, is a slightly brighter colour. And I've spent a lot of time painstakingly folding that neatly so that it fits over the radiator and looks nice and tidy. Okay, so that's the towel in place, and then we need to get rid of these because they don't look very attractive, do they? So again, something that I prepared earlier, we'll get rid of those, and a nice little dish to put the cotton wool pads in. This is a nice molten brown spray, so I think we'll just have that up there. We definitely need to get rid of the cotton buds, so what are we going to do with those? Well, I think we'll find another little container. So we'll get rid of those, and then I found a nice little glass that we can put those in, and then we can just have that in here. And we do like to have things in threes, don't we, when we're doing our styling. So the other thing that will look fantastic in here, I think, and it'll make it smell nice, is I've just bought a nice new diffuser. So I've got one in white there, and I'm just going to mix that up with those. So we'll just play around with those a little bit. And I just need something else on the windowsill. So what have we got? Well, there's something here that I picked up in a charity shop. Don't tell everybody where I got it from. I think that cost me about £2. So there's a nice little item to just pop on the windowsill, just to have that for a bit of decoration there. And there's one more thing that I always like to add in a bathroom, and that's a bit of greenery. So I popped into one of my favourite shops and I bought this lovely little plant, which is a bamboo plant, and it looks quite realistic actually. It's even got some leaves that are going a bit brown, so that's quite useful. So it looks very real, and I'm just going to pop that there in the corner. Might just move these up a bit now, so that they're not crowding. And there we go. So I don't know how long that took, just a few minutes really. And you can see we've got a much nicer looking bathroom, much more inviting. That's what you need to do. So if you need any more hints and tips, give me a call.